Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we're opening a bunch of Hot Wheels, including a lot of new cars from the brand new Neon Series collection. I have all 8 of those. We're going to be opening up all of them. And this is not the previous set. This is the second set that's come out of the Neon Speeders. But before we get started in opening all these awesome Hot Wheels, I do want to mention I am currently giving away this Hot Wheel RLC Custom Fleet Side. If you click on the link in the description down below, go to my merch store. If you guys go on there and make any purchase, you are automatically entered into this. For every $5 you spend, you get entered. And there's going to be like rules and everything on my merch store. I have a bunch of Hot Wheel mainlines, premiums, monster trucks, RLCs, and so much more. Even some car-related products as well. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. ShopMTParadise.com if you guys want to get entered into this giveaway. It ends February 29th, so definitely go check that out. But let's go ahead and get started with unboxing these. So I have, like I said, the entire set of the new version of the Neon Speeders. And starting this off, we have the 1970 Toyota Celica. Let's go ahead and rip this sucker open. There we go. And wow, like all these cars are obviously neon colored, have these crazy designs. And I'm sure under blacklight would probably be like insane looking, but that looks really cool. Next up, we have the Custom 01 Integra, Acura Integra GSR. So it looks like in the package. It has that really cool neon orange kind of like tiger stripe pattern on it, which I really like. And boom, there we go. That looks absolutely amazing. And also, once I have all these cars unboxed, I'm going to actually put them up in this display back here behind me. And I'm going to be able to race all of these on the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I do YouTube shorts every single day with racing Hot Wheels. And all of these cars in this video will be ending up in a lot of those videos in the near future. So definitely hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on all those. Especially this Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR in a couple races in the near future. Or a bunch. We will definitely see. I do plan on racing all of these cars. And that's actually why I'm opening up in this video. But let me try to get this sucker out of here. There we go. Got that neon pink, and then it has that pattern. But I also kind of like how I kept it with like the plain stripes. So just like the lack of design gives it that nice pink stripe pattern down the roof. But that looks really cool. And I really like how the rims on a lot of these, like these rims kind of have like that green chrome on it, which look really, really cool. Next up, we have the Nissan 350Z. Looks really awesome as well. And I also have my own wrap company. And I think it would be awesome if somebody hits me up and they want a wrap that looks something like that. I think it'd be a fun design to do, just something with neon colors on like a dark base. That would be awesome. But also, this Nissan 350Z looks incredible. Got the giant wing there and the awesome exhaust. Man, I really like what they did with this whole set. Like, these cars look amazing. And then next up we have the 95 Mazda RX7 Drift, which this is a pretty cool car as well. I really like how it has like the Japanese text going down the side. And because it is a drift car, a lot of drift cars don't have perfect bumpers or even bumpers at all. So this one actually does not have a front bumper. It just has like kind of like a little bar, like kind of like bash bar type thing so that it doesn't get destroyed. But it has a nice giant wing there in the back. And a lot of these cars are actually matte, and this one is gloss. So I think that looks really, really cool. Has a lot of good weight to it too, so I can't wait to race that on the 6-lane raceway. And then we have the Datsun 510 Wagon. I know a lot of people love Datsun Wagons, and I love them as well. This is a little heartbreaking opening all these Hot Wheels, but at the same time, I'm going to be able to make a lot of cool videos for you guys, be able to put these on the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, and I think it's going to be awesome. It's a really cool like neon digital camo, has the pink wheels, and has a little Sparko there on the front of the hood. I think that is such an awesome wagon. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of that. And then we have the kind of the one, more sought after one, the 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse. And this Eclipse, I think we've only seen it once before in Hot Wheels for like the, kind of like with the plastic tires as a coupe. We did see it as the Fast and the Furious car, which I have right here. So I think that's the first time we ever saw like this as a kind of like a standalone Hot Wheel. And this is the second time it's been done, I believe. And even has like some NOS bottles there in the back through the window. That looks really cool. That is an incredible car. Kind of has like that Fast and the Furious body kit, so they just use the same die cast. Let's go ahead and we're gonna set that up front. And then we have the Honda S2000, which this is the final car in this whole set. And I think this one looks absolutely incredible. That neon yellow, and it even has like some white designs on the side. I don't know if you can really see it, but it looks really cool. The designs are even on the roof as well. It's just so bright it might be a little hard to tell. Let's see if I can get it in the shadow there on the door. You can kind of see some of that pattern in there. There we go. But I think that looks absolutely incredible. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to a bunch of the other regular cars. We have some new main lines that recently came out. The 1990 Honda Civic CF. I know a lot of people love this car as well. They're probably going to hate me for opening this, but oh well, it's going to make some awesome videos for you guys. I think that looks really cool there. It says Civic down the side. And I don't think I have any Civics of this body style, so that's why I wanted to get that and open it up here. Just shift all of this down. And then we have one that a lot of people have been excited for, and that's this nice new gold Honda Civic Si. This just recently came out in the B case, I believe. And, oh man, a lot of people are going to hate this. But at the same time, I really wanted to open this up, check it out. I did see there's like a carbon fiber hood, so it actually looks kind of cool. In person, you can kind of see a little bit of a pattern. I don't know how it's really showing up on camera, but that is a cool car. Got that red interior and got that little wing there in the back. I think that's an awesome Hot Wheel. The red ring around the wheels as well. So I'm excited to be able to put this on the 6-lane raceway and start racing it in some videos. And then next up we have another Honda Civic Si, but it's in the Ultra Hots kind of package. Kind of has that old school looking vibe to it. And this one does have like a crack in the blister, so I'm not really too worried about this being opened up. Man, the weight of this car is actually pretty crazy, so I'm excited to see how this does on the 6-lane raceway. Man, it's such a nice car. And next up we have another Honda Civic. We have the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and it's actually from this Honda Civic Set. And all the cars from this set actually look really incredible. That's all of them right there. But I really like the more modern Civics. I'm more of a modern car guy anyway. So having this one actually looks incredible. I really like that with the blue and neon orange designs on it. And it's almost like has like a shiny like metallic effect to it. So that actually looks really, really good. And then we're kind of going old school. We have the Nissan Fairlady Z in this really cool Advan design. And that just kind of popped right off. And wow, that looks incredible. Let me know what you guys think of that. But I think that looks really, really good. It has like the Advan on there. And then you can see like the stripes on the side that continue up onto the top. Man, I think that looks really, really cool. And then I have one already opened, but now we have another one. The Liberty Walk Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTR R version 2. It's literally the Liberty Walk Nissan GTR, and this thing is awesome. It's in white, has a really cool kind of more simplistic design with the big Hot Wheels logo down the side. And then obviously it is the wide body, so that thing looks incredible. Giant wing there on the back, wide fenders, and I'm excited to add this to the lineup. But next up, moving into some older cars that are actually some pretty iconic cars as well. We have another Honda S2000, and I did get this with a damaged package. So, I mean, you can kind of see there's a giant hole right there. There's big creases in the card. So I got a good deal on this one, specifically just to open up. And let's go ahead and check this thing out. I really love the way that looks as that text down the side. The yellow wheels look really good as well. That blue is just such a nice blue. And I only have like one Honda Civic or one Honda S2000 open, so it's kind of nice to be able to add some more. But not only do I have that one, I have another Honda S2000, and this is the AEM one. And you can kind of see how the hook on top is damaged. There's a bunch of creases, and I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get this. It's also a good deal because it's heavily damaged. But once you pop it open, you can't even tell. That car looks immaculate. And a nice matte blue, giant AEM on the side with the number 12, some other decals, and man, that looks so good. I really like the way the front end of that looks in that matte metallic blue. But we got a few more cars to go, and the last cars, we have 3 more, and they are from some really cool collector sets. We have this new, it's a J Imports set, and a lot of people are probably going to be mad that I'm opening this up. In this set, there's actually some really cool cars, and that's the full set right there. But I really like this one and wanted to open it up and have one for the 6-lane raceway. If you guys are interested, I actually do have these available on my website right now. I have a handful of other ones. I'm opening up this one right here, but I have some brand new carded. The cards are in great condition. Definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And if you guys pick up one of these or more of these and a bunch of other cars on there, like I said, you will automatically be entered into this Hot Wheel RLC giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and bust this one open. And wow, the car has a lot of good weight to it. And that looks really, really amazing. Has a Japanese text there on the back. The number on the hood. Man, all that attention to detail on this car looks incredible. And I love these new wheels that they're doing as well. Those look really cool. But now we're moving on to the final 2 cars. They are Fast and Furious from the Women of Fast set. We have the Mazda RX8. And this is such an iconic car from the movies. Well, at least from Tokyo Drift. So let me go ahead and pop this thing open. But wow, that looks absolutely incredible. I really love that bright blue to black kind of paint fade. And then even on the black, it has like that neon blue trim there above the wheels. Goes around the rear bumper. And obviously that giant wing on the back. And that is all like in the die-cast metal. Like that is all one piece. And even has like all the detail on the rear bumper. With the taillights, it even says Mazda logo, and then RX8. And wow, that looks really, really cool. I love that paint fade. That looks amazing. And just all the attention to detail on this car. And this thing is really heavy. It even has a metal bottom as well. So I'm really curious to see how this does on the 6-lane raceway with all that extra weight. But yeah, that is awesome. Even it kind of rolls really nice too. But the final car in this video, which a lot of people love, very sought after, we have Suzuki's Hunda S2000. And I really love this. This card is like a little, I know like a lot of these cars have like a slight curve to them, but this one actually has some dents and dings in the corners. So I'm not really too heartbroken over opening this thing, but let's go ahead and pop it out of here and check it out. And I will be able to have this for some upcoming Hot Wheel racing videos. And boom, just like that, this thing looks absolutely incredible. Has all the decals on the side, all the hood. Man, that is such a nice car. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And I absolutely love this car. I think it looks so good. But comment down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorites. And like I said, I'm really excited to be able to add all these to my collection. We actually just added 4 Honda S2000s. I already have one. So maybe we'll do like a Honda S2000 race with all 5 of them. And then maybe like a bunch of Honda Civic races. I don't know. The possibilities are endless. Put down in the comments down below what car combinations you guys want to see race. Not only with these, but a lot of the other cars I already have. And if you guys did like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.